Welcome back to the channel. Today we're imagining a bold comeback for a legendary Indian van, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Omni 8-seater. Known for its utility and family-friendly format, this new concept van could blend practicality, modern design, and smart tech for 2026. The original Omni was one of the most widely used vans in India for decades, simple, affordable, and versatile. But as safety and emission norms changed, production ended. The idea of a new 8-seater Omni in 2026 gives Maruti Suzuki a chance to refresh the nameplate for today's standards and expectations. Design-wise, this new Omni has been imagined with a higher roofline for easier entry/exit, large sliding doors on both sides, wide cabin glass for better visibility and urban maneuvering. LED lighting at front and rear hint at a modern look, while retaining the van's iconic shape. Inside, room for 8 passengers, flexible seating, modular rear seats which fold or slide, generous cargo behind. Materials are modern, smart fabric seats, ambient lighting, digital display cluster and connectivity built in. We imagine a powertrain suited for 2026, maybe a 1.2-liter petrol/mild hybrid or even a CNG/EV version given Maruti's direction. Efficiency is key, since this van is intended for families and commercial use. Safety upgrades, standard airbags, ABS, parking sensors, maybe even semi-autonomous features in higher trims. As for availability and price, the concept targets a late 2025 to early 2026 launch in India. Pricing would aim to be competitive in the multi-utility van segment, maybe around Indian rupee 8-12 lakh, ex-showroom, depending on version and powertrain. Of course, these are speculative numbers. Beyond practicality, the 2026 Omni aims to bring smart technology into an affordable family van. It could feature connected car tech through the Maruti Suzuki SmartPlay system, allowing users to check vehicle status, navigation, and battery levels, in the EV version, directly from a smartphone app. USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot could make every ride convenient for passengers. The suspension is expected to be tuned for Indian road conditions, ensuring a comfortable drive even on bumpy city streets and rural routes. Maruti might also introduce roof rails and modular accessories, giving the Omni a lifestyle edge for both families and small business owners. So that's our look at the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Omni 8-seater van concept. Would you like this van for family and business use? Drop your comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more future car videos. Thanks for watching.